Good morning, students. Today, in this video lecture, I am going to discuss F block elements. So, this is the last classification in your SPD and F block. So, the first question is, what are F block elements? Those elements whose last electron enter into the F orbitals. Those elements whose last electron enter into the F orbital are known as F block elements. They are known as your F block elements. Last electron enter into F orbital. Now F block element, they are basically of two types. One is your 4F, another is your 5F. One is 4F, another is 5F. In case of 4F block element, there is continuous filling of 4F orbital, while in case of 5 block elements, there is continuous filling of 5F orbital. These 4F elements, they are known as your lanthanoids, while 5F, they are known as your actinoids. Now, lanthanoid is also known as your lanthanide, and actinoids also known as your actinide. Now, in case of your lanthanoid, there is regular filling of 4F orbital electron. In case of your lanthanoids, there is regular filling of your 4F orbital electron, while in case of actinoid, there is regular filling of 5F. The elements from cerium 58 to lutetium 71, these 14 are your lanthanoid, while the elements from 90 thorium to your lawrencium 103, again they are 14, they are actinoids. Actually cerium 58, it is your 4F1, while the lutetium 71, it is your 4F14. Similarly, thorium 90, it is your 5F1, and lawrencium 103, it is your 5F14. Now, what are the general electronic configuration of F block elements? The general outer electronic configuration, the general outer electronic configuration of F block elements are n-2, F1 to 14, n-1d, 0 to 1, ns2. In this case, this n is your valence set. This n is your valence shell, while n minus 1 is your penultimate cell. N minus n is your penultimate cell, while this n minus 2, this is your anti-penultimate cell. This is your anti-penultimate cell. So actually what happens in case of your F block element? So in case of F block element, there is regular filling of, anti-penultimate cell. There is regular filling of your anti-penultimate cell. Now, let us see the general properties of F block element. They are almost similar to your D block elements. General properties. Number 1, all of them are metals. And having high melting point and boiling point. BPT is your boiling point and PT is your melting point. Second is, they also form colored compound. Colored compounds. Next point, their compounds are also paramagnetic. This we have already discussed in D block elements. They also form complex compounds. And the most important properties, that is, most of them are radioactive in nature. They are radioactive, especially actinoids. So actinoids, they are your radioactive. Particularly actinoids, they are your radioactive. So I hope this is sufficient about the properties of F block elements. Thank you.